Okay, make sure that FramesLink is selected as a module, and in the FramesLink module we have the create profiles function. We can create different types of profiles, and today I want to show you how to create round profiles. Round profiles, you can have data files, and we will use two different kinds of round profiles. You can set the material as well. Okay, so I take an example here. To this door frame I want to add some round profiles, and I want to catch but not get the parameters. So I set the profile type and simply select any close to the endpoint, and FramesLink automatically catches the endpoint and in the middle of the section. So all I have to do is just give the height of the profile. As you noticed, I don't have to go close. I just have to go close to the end, and it's just selected. I just simply drag the new profile. At this moment, just to show you the trimming functions, I didn't pay attention that profiles are. As you see, we have different types of trimmings among profiles. Okay, but in this example, I want to show you the elbow function. I set the elbow radius, and just simply select two profiles, and elbow is inserted automatically. Okay. Alright, it was just an example how to create elbows between profiles. Okay, now I want to put a vertical one in the middle, and just I shouldn't get the parameters, so I will do it again. Select off the getting parameters, select the correct profile you want, and now say position again. Alright, now I just somewhere close to the middle I put the profile. In the next step I will shift it automatically to the center. For this I'm using center to center option. Select the profile and select the end planar face, small face at the end. The profile is shifted to the middle. Okay, now we can do some trimming. When you select the limiting part, depends where you select. You see, when I select down, it will be trimmed to the lower face. When I select the limiting profile above, it will be trimmed to the upper face. Again, I want to add in the middle. Just if you select a profile, you have to give a round profile. You have to give the dragging direction as well. If you select a flat profile, then as dragging direction, the normal is selected. This one I want to shift. Let's say 250. I think it's a little bit too much. Maybe I should go down a little bit to 150. So I simply give the new value 150, and again say the aligning with the offset. Okay, so now I'm roughly finished. Do one more trimming, select inside. Okay, so it's trimmed to the inside. Okay, here I want to trim away the middle. Okay, now I'm ready to add some library parts. Go to library module and select the parts which are available for my profile type. First I select that one, just simply rotate it or orient it in direction and paste by clicking once on the loaded profile. Okay, here we go again here, and it's okay, and I will just simply paste it, selecting the profiles on this end. Our library profiles are not only loading parts, but they can also trim or modify existing profiles. So at the end of the video I will just take out the this new library parts, and you will see that the underlying geometry is also made shorter. Okay, maybe in the center I put 4 ways, and here I have to paste one time here, paste one time here. Okay, all right, we are all set now, and I want to maybe add a few more horizontal profiles of a smaller diameter to the frame. I select a new profile type, 20 diameter. Now again, I don't want to, I want to catch, but I don't want to get the parameters. So I simply just draw some construction lines just to show you another method. I could have done it also like I did before, just simply by dragging and pulling and then putting into position, but now I want to show you another method which will be on edges, on 2D edges. So if I have any kind of 2D geometry, no matter how long, I can use them by selecting them, and in this case I will use this trimming function, automatically trimming from face to face. Okay, and here I go and select this edge and these 3 edges together, maybe with shift, and they are inserted and trimmed at one shot. Okay, now the next thing is we have to shift them to the middle. I go to tools menu and use center to center, mid to mid shifting, and simply select, and this will shift them to the center. All right, and here we go. I want to show you now just when we take out the loaded part, you see the profile is also shortened. So our library parts not only load but also modify geometry.